Hey everyone, welcome back to Live, Love, Beach to Bay. It's Debbie, your friendly realtor and fitness enthusiast who now really wants to educate or inform or inspire you all to consider all of the water sports that can be enjoyed here in coastal Delaware. So I absolutely love to be anywhere near the water, and being on the water is a particular delight. So stay with me, subscribe if you like this content and want to hear more. Live, Love, Beach to Bay, your YouTube channel for everything coastal Delaware, real estate, active lifestyle, living, playing, working, and living the good life here in coastal Delaware. Sports are we extraordinarily proud of? Well, you can really do them all. So you can paddleboard, you can wakeboard, you can go out on a boat, you can kiteboard, you can water ski, you can jet ski, you can swim, you can snorkel, you can scuba dive, you can do it all here in coastal Delaware. So I'm really going to take you through a journey through all of the areas, what we offer, and which community is best for which water activity. We're going to start with stand-up paddleboarding. So again, something that I happen to really enjoy. And one of the best places to do this is Rehoboth Bay. So Rehoboth Bay is a bit calmer, a little bit more protected. So you're really it's a great place if you are a beginner stand-up paddleboarder or even an experienced stand-up paddleboarder. And you're even going to find great, venues that have paddle boards for rent. They also will give some lessons. And then if you're really inclined, you can actually do yoga on a stand-up paddleboard. When I do that, I typically fall in the water, which brings an occasional chuckle from myself or any of my friends and family that may be attending. But there really are just a myriad of places to do stand-up paddleboarding here in coastal Delaware. Kayaking, another great outdoor activity, and absolutely the interior portion of coastal Delaware is just absolutely perfect for that. We've got inlet after inlet with wonderful, protected waters where kayaking, and you're going to see all kinds of aspects of nature, both in the water, on the water, next to the water, in the marshes, etc. A great business called Adventures in Inland Bays and Kayaking. Now that is right down Route 1 between South Bethany and Fenwick. And they do it all. So they rent kayaks. They also have stand-up paddleboards. So as in the first piece of this video that I was mentioning, another great place to do both. And they are proficient and knowledgeable, and even have guides that can accompany you if that is what you're interested in. For those who are looking for a little more adventure, we've got jet skiing and parasailing. So, and that can also be done, in many different, vendors and businesses do feature jet skiing and parasailing. But really, Dewey Beach is a great place to do that. So the interior of Dewey Beach, which is a little bit more protected, etc., you're going to find some great businesses that focus on jet skiing and parasailing. So I've been on a jet ski. I've not done parasailing yet. Two of those companies, Delaware Parasail and Dewey Beach Water Sports, are just two examples of companies that you're going to be able to jet ski, parasail, get some lessons, etc., and they're really the experts. Believe it or not, even though, we talk about our calm waters, we talk about, the pristine beaches, etc., you can actually surf in Delaware. So something, again, that I've not tried, although I've contemplated it, I just haven't maybe gotten up I guess running and biking are where I feel very, very confident, but surfing might be in my future. But if you are considering it, would love to try it, or have even done it before, grab your surfboard and head to coastal Delaware. Sailing and boating. So it goes without saying, you've got, the Indian River Inlet, you've got marinas in Rehoboth, marinas in Lewis, marinas in the interior of Bethany Beach, South Bethany. You've got marinas in Fenwick, marinas in Selbyville. And we haven't even dabbled into Ocean City, Maryland, because my YouTube channel right now is focused on coastal Delaware. But if sailing or boating is something that moves you, then you absolutely need to consider living, playing, and working in coastal Delaware. Whether it's a pontoon boat, whether it's a sailboat, whether it's a power boat, and you've got some wakeboarders behind you, or tubers, or water skiers. Again, all of that and so much more can be done right here on coastal Delaware. Windsurfing and kiteboarding. Again, two activities that I've not really been inclined yet. And I always say yet because I am always up for any challenge or any outdoor activity. But again, Dewey Beach, sandwiched between Rehoboth and North Bethany, would be the ideal spot to try both parasailing, kiteboarding, windsurfing, all of the above. So as you can see, coastal Delaware, it's a playground for water sports. And, you know, my tagline, live here, play here, work here. But if it's an outdoor water activity that, you know, really drives you or inspires you or has you kind of captivated, you need to truly consider exploring coastal Delaware. Would love to help. DM me, message me, comment me, and I will get you all the details, you know, point you to the right business that can really make that happen for you. And as always, if you're looking to, you know, consider a move, whether it's a vacation home, an investment home, a permanent home, like I made coastal Delaware my permanent home. I'm living my best life here in coastal Delaware, and I would love to chat with you about that. Ring the bell, subscribe to my channel, more content coming every week.